In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out if your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit. Knowing this is important when you download software, install drivers, or troubleshoot issues, because many programs come in different versions depending on your system type. Let's start on a Windows computer. First, go to your desktop and look for the Start button, usually at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it once. A menu will open with a list of apps and a search bar. In the search bar, type Settings, and then click on the Settings app when it appears. This will open a new window with different categories, like System, Devices, and so on. Click on the category labeled System. It's usually at the top of the list. Inside the System section, look at the menu on the left side and scroll down until you see About. Click on About. This will open a page with information about your device. Take your time here. This is where you'll find what you need. On the right side of this page, look for a section called Device Specifications. Under that, find the line labeled System Type. Next to System Type, you'll see something like 64-bit operating system or 32-bit operating system. It might also mention an x64-based processor or x86-based processor. The important part is whether the operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is your answer. If it says 64-bit operating system, you should download 64-bit versions of programs whenever they're available. If it says 32-bit operating system, make sure you choose 32-bit versions of software, because 64-bit programs usually won't run on a 32-bit system. If you're using an older version of Windows and don't see the Settings app, you can right-click on Computer or this PC on your desktop or in File Explorer. Then click Properties. A window will open, and again you'll look for System Type to see if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Once you know your system type, it's a good idea to write it down or remember it, because you'll use this information often when downloading applications, games, or device drivers. That's all you need to do to check whether your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit. Follow these steps slowly. Pause the video if you need to, and you'll have the right information every time you install new software.